Model, 2018 Nissan Navara Tekna 2.3 DCI automatic damage repaired no VAT bargain. Body, grey 4x4. Mileage, 108,309. MOT, the 13th of February 2026. Engine, 2298 ccys 23E6BA. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Start and dried brilliantly was damaged. Repaired 3 years ago, been on the roads since, absolutely perfect, you wouldn't know the difference, no VAT, absolute bargain, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, very well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, part service history, electric windows, alloy wheels, cruise control, aircon, reversing camera, 12 months MOT, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2022. Cap retail, £12,895 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative